the jaw and the chaw sound. So jaw here, so jaw, this is jaw, 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 so jaw, chả, chết, giấy, chợ, chớ, chốt, chỗ, chúa, chả, chớ, chía, chế, chài, cháy, cháo, cháu, chống, chóm, chấm, cha, chó, che, chó. Chà, chày, chào, chào, chàm, cho, che, cho. So this one is cho cha. Cho cha, it has a meaning, but cho cha it means to negotiate. Cho cha. Cho cha, but it means to negotiate. So here's a sentence here. Cháy khăm chào cài. So cháy is, something, insects that in your hair. Cháy khăm is to beat or bite. Chào cài, so cháy cài is a name of a person here. Cháy cài. So cháy khăm chào cài. Okay. So cha. So cha here. So cha here is another way to use for the word writing, but they use different materials to write on a special paper here in Cambodia. To keep the letter for a long time, we say cha with the row. And then cho, it has also a meaning. Cho is mean to go down or to step down by cho. By cho. Okay. So let's go with the chaw. This is called chaw, and this is how to write it here. Chaw, chaw, so you have chaw, cha, che, chay, ch, chớ, cho, cho, chu, cha, chu, chia, che, and chai, cháy, cháo, cháu, chóm, chóm, chấm, cha, cho, che, cho. So cha, cháy, cháu, che, cha, cháu, che, khảo. So cha, cháu, che, khảo. Khảo chào cái che. So again, khảo is pants, chào cái is a person, che is burn. Chai, cham, che, cha. So this is a good tongue twister for you. If you want to practice the pronunciation. This is chai, cham, che, cha. So cha here by itself here with the picture, cha is meant to fry. Cha, to fry. Okay. Look at this long picture here. See, so che. So che it means to burn here. Che. Ba. Che. Ba. Che. Che. Ba. Okay, thank you very much, guys. This is the lesson for today. I hope you will enjoy this. And please, practice reading by yourself at home, okay? So thank you very much. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.